Be quick, go online for your Byron Bay Underground Film Festival tickets. They're at Byron Bay Underground on Instagram, Facebook and online. Terrific event. Here's more about it from the organiser here, Andre Stamos. Okay, and well, I've seen your van pull up and it says Film Festival. What's that about?
So it's the Byron Underground Film Festival, starting on the 1st of December to the 11th of December.
Yeah.
And it's all about like supporting local artists, Australian films, creativity.
Yeah.
Tending to go for more like alternative kind of like genre films, like a bit more out there, a bit more creative, giving first-time filmmakers who are magnificent that chance to experiment and to explore and to really show something super creative and something interesting.
So they short films or feature films or mixed?
Both. So we have, I think, about 45 short films, about 5 feature films.
Oh, great.
Set across 10 days, so the 1st December to the 11th of December.
Yeah.
We're actually opening up with Benjamin Walsh, who's an amazing percussionist, like he's a prodigy.
Yeah.
He's made his first debut feature, motion picture.
Yeah.
And to close it, he'll actually be doing a live score to the movie. So he'll be making sound effects, he'll actually be drumming and making all these different things. So it's going to be just an experience. So that's at the Brunswick Picture House.
Yeah.
Palace, we open for the grand opening, and then in the industrial estate for the majority of it.
Oh, awesome, eh?
We're in our 3rd year, and it's every year it just gets better and better and more exciting. Like, the quality of films keeps on increasing, maybe 10-20% each year. So it's just, I'm excited. You know?
Is there a theme for this year? Like, Tropfest has certain papers got to be in it or whatever?
Interesting.
Yeah.
We're kind of not so much. We're sort of really. Actually, that's not true. Every day does have a theme. Yeah. So we'll have our Hump Day sessions, which are on Wednesday. And
obviously.
All about sex.
Oh, okay. What was that again?
All about sex.
Okay, gotcha. I thought I heard that.
Thrilling Thursday is like our thrillers and our horrors and more like gritty stuff. Then we've got Friday, it's our comedy night. Yeah. Saturday is like Under the Stars, so our more art house kind of films under the stars. And then it sort of just branches out from there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Bloody brilliant.
Mate, it's fun. It's good fun.
And I've got to ask you something. You mow. How long you had that for?
It's a rental. So I'm going to take it back this weekend.
You're going to take it back this weekend. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, thanks for
that. Hey, thanks for that. Hey, that's great. And the dates again for the actual fest?
Absolutely. So it starts on the 11th. The 1st of December to the 11th of December.
1st to the 11th. Okay, beautiful. Not far around the track, really.
About 2.5 weeks now.
Yeah, good on you for organising that, eh?
Thank you so
much. I absolutely love Byron, that's why I do videos on it.
I love it.
Yeah.
I love seeing you around.
Yeah, there you go. Well, you'll see a few funny ones now. Hey, I've got one I'm doing this week. It's Shelby Church.
Okay.
Yeah, she did a Vanlife video.
Oh, sweet.
And she said she hired a van for 2 days and said she didn't like Vanlife.
No way. 2 days.
So I'm doing a response video.
Nice, good man.
Yeah, so I've gone, and she did it in caravan parks. I did the 2 caravan parks in Byron Bay.
That's it.
And comparing both.
Wow.
So I stayed in the one up the road, 35 a night.
Yeah.
And the one up here, 70 a night. Yeah, I didn't stealth camp. And I know it's a bit dear, but at the same time you're in the middle of Byron.
That's true.
So there's a positive side to it,
That's true.
And I suppose if they come to the film festival, they've got to stay somewhere too, don't they?
So true.
Yeah, so I dodged the stealth camping in Byron because I did a video on that.
Yeah, nice.
So don't do it.
It's
the fines are too high,
Yeah, they are.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So do you have a permit for your van so you can just park it anywhere?
No. Well, I've got like a parking permit, but that's only like in the day to allow yourself to park around here. But to
that's great.
You're sort of more in private locations.
Yeah. Because I looked it up. You can get one from New South Wales Parks.
Yes.
If you're from outside,
Yep.
And I think I'm here that often now. I've got to go and get one. Yeah.
That's another video there.
Yeah. Oh, thanks heaps for the interview, eh? I love it. I didn't expect it, and I love it. Thank you. And I'm glad you know Mr. Cool and you like him.
Oh, he's the best.
I love him,
I
mate.
can't help but smile whenever I see him. I'm just full.
He's so happy. He's got some positive energy.
It's just you can be having like a mediocre day. And you see his face and you just.
Did you see the one where I got him in God Save the Queen?
No.
It's a tribute to the Queen on the day she died. And because he comes from England, he's got that little accent. And And he said, she's a wonderful woman. You know, she was it was just the way he did it, you know, it was very positive.
Yeah.
And I said, everyone in Byron loves the Queen.
Yeah.
He went, oh, I don't think everyone.
Yeah.
So he's a funny bugger, isn't he?
Oh, that's mad.
He's a legend.
Yeah.
Oh, thanks heaps for that.
Absolutely.
Now, the name of the festival?
It's the Byron Underground Film Festival.
Great, beautiful. Tickets are available now at www.thebuff.com.au. Get in there, order your tickets, organise your accommodation and organise your transport, and you'll have a wonderful time. Andre has his act together and those films are absolutely brilliant. I've checked out all the itinerary. It looks like an awesome event. I'm going to go myself. Absolutely, well and truly worth the trip.
Three van showers. Three van showers. Not one, not two. Three van showers. Three showers in the van. Three showers. Not one, not two. Three van showers.